On your Android phone, if you want to change the sound preset, you can do that. This means that if you're listening to music, you can set the preset to music, or if you're watching movies, you can set it to movies. So, you'll get a better sound experience. In this video, we'll show you how to change sound effect presets on your Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you can see the Search Settings option at the top. Either search for Effects or Preset. When you search for either of these, you'll see the Sound Effects or Preset option directly. Anyway, I'm selecting Sound Effects. Depending on the brand, there may be some changes. I'm using a Poco phone, and in Poco devices, the settings look like this. Sometimes, you might be taken to a different page, but you'll still find the preset option. Tap on it. By default, it may be set to Smart. But if you want, you can change it to Music, Video, or Voice based on your need. If you select Smart, it will adjust automatically. So, I prefer Smart, but you can change it if you want. That's how you can easily change the sound effects preset on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.